Hello folks, now that Samsung is done with the Galaxy S25 launch, it could focus on other devices. One of the Galaxy A series smartphones that Samsung is currently developing is the Galaxy A56 5G. We've already seen how the device looks. The images showcased a sleeker design, featuring flat sides and thinner bezels. However, today we are getting a closer look at it. Evan Blass, in his leak mail on Substack, has posted high-quality renders of all the 4 colors of the Galaxy A56 5G that Samsung will launch it in. These renders reveal that the aluminum frame of the Galaxy A56 will have a brushed finish. The camera hump on the Galaxy A56 5G looks very similar to the ones found on the Galaxy S10. It features a floating camera design identical to that of the Galaxy S25 series. Here it's continuous, whereas the S25 series has separate lenses. Unfortunately, the phone has thicker bezels than most devices in its expected price range. However, its symmetrical and clean design makes the phone look very premium. Samsung brought a taste of AI to the Galaxy A series in 2024 through the release of Circle to Search. Other more advanced Galaxy AI features remain unavailable to all but high-end devices. However, there is a possibility that Galaxy AI will expand to the Galaxy A series. A few new trademark applications submitted by Samsung in Europe, the US and South Korea reveal that the company wants to secure the awesome intelligence buzzword. Although the Galaxy A series isn't mentioned anywhere in the trademark applications, Samsung has traditionally used the term awesome to promote the Galaxy A series many times before.
Long-lasting battery life.
Needless to say, it's hard not to connect the dots between the Galaxy A series and the recent Awesome Intelligence trademark. And neatly enough, the abbreviation of Awesome Intelligence is AI. Does this mean that the Galaxy A series will get more Galaxy AI features this year? Well, it's hard to be sure of anything based solely on a few trademark applications, but it does look that way. As to which Galaxy A phone could be the first to step into the era of AI, time will tell, but the Galaxy A56 sounds like a decent contender. According to previous leaks, the Galaxy A56 will feature the Exynos 1580 chipset and offer Android 15-based One UI 7.0 out of the box. It will feature a 12-megapixel camera on the front, an upgrade from the 32-megapixel sensor on the Galaxy A55. While there's no information on the battery capacity, the upcoming phone will support up to 45 watts charging, which is significantly higher than the 25 watts figure of the current model. It will also offer Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4, which are faster than Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 on the Galaxy A55. The Galaxy A36 and the Galaxy A56 will be launched in mid-March in India and many other Asian countries. This information comes from tipster Abhishek Yadav, who has been pretty accurate in the past. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.